Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a simple camera follow system in Unity. Let's get started. As you can see, when we start our game our camera does not follow the player. Now let's create a new Sharp script. I'll call it camera follow. First, we create a public transform variable called target. This is the object we want to follow in most cases. The player, then we declare a vector3 offset, which will define the camera's position relative to the player, for example a bit behind and a bit above. We've added a new variable called smooth speed. This controls how fast or slow the camera catches up to the player. Smaller values mean slower, smoother movement. Bigger values make it snappier. Finally, in the latUpdate method, we set the camera's position to be the player's position, plus that offset. Now, in the latUpdate method, we do this. First, we calculate the desired position, where the camera should be player's position plus offset. Then, we use vector3.lerp to interpolate between the current camera position and the desired one. Lerp means linear interpolation. It blends between 2 points over time. The smooth speed value controls how quickly we move from the current position to the target position. Once you attach the script to the camera and assign your player as the target, you can play around with the smooth speed value in the inspector. Start with something like 0.125 or 0.1 and test it. You'll notice that the camera follows the player more naturally, instead of snapping instantly. If you liked this simple upgrade to your camera system, hit the like button and subscribe for more Unity tips. Alright, now let's hit play and test it out. The camera smoothly follows the player with a nice delay. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.